Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know I missed a few videos because I have been moving, still in Colorado, just into an actual place because we were staying in a hotel. It was complicated. We'll get into that in a later video, but today I'm finally in my new studio, still decorating, so the background will change, but we're going to do a LookFantastic Beauty Box unboxing for the month of February. This is going to be all of the items sent. Is it worth the sticker price? Do we like the items inside? And everything in between. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into this month's LookFantastic Edit Beauty Box with me, stay tuned. So as usual, this is the LookFantastic Beauty Box, and every month it does come with the contributor little pamphlet and the editor's note. All you need is self-love. With the weather outside still a little cold and those January blues still lingering around, cuddle up to the beauty box this February from some serious self-lovin'. This is our shrine to self-love, knowing your self-worth. A collection of beauty products to inspire the creative side and indulge and pamper your complexion for the ultimate date night look. We put our heads together to ensure at Beauty Box headquarters that you have the best February possible, and then a whole bunch of other stuff that honestly is really just talking about the box in general, which we do every single month. So jumping into the box, let's talk about each product and see if it's worth it. The first item out of the box is from the brand Dr. Botanicals. This is the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. So you can use this as a moisturizer. You can also use this on anywhere you have dry or cracked areas. It says it's also safe for the lips. Unfortunately, it does contain coconut oil, which you know I am very sensitive to, causes my skin to instantly get very inflamed and break out, so I will be passing on that item. If you do like coconut oil in your routine, I think it could be something you'll like, especially given that the ingredients do seem to be a little bit more naturally derived. Unfortunately, not a product I can use. Next, this is from Pixi. It is the Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Restore balance to your complexion with an ultra-refining glow tonic from Pixi, powered by glycolic acid to buff away dead skin and impurities. The purifying treatment helps to refine the appearance of pores and stimulate cell renewal to create a brighter and clearer canvas. This uses horse chestnut seed extract and witch hazel leaf extract. I'm actually very familiar with this product. Pixi has sent me the big ones multiple times, and it's a really good product. I don't love the smell, but it does work really well for exfoliating as far as toners are concerned. I will be honest that my favorite exfoliating toner is from Caudalie. I do prefer that one because it's a little bit more hydrating, whereas this one's a little bit more glow. So you still get that hydration and you still get that exfoliation. I just like that one a little bit more, but this is not a bad one. And because I don't like traveling with full-size items, I love when I get good toners in a trial size because it's really easy to throw in an overnight bag. Next, from the brand Glove, these are water-only makeup remover heart pads. The luxuriously soft material that covers the pad glides across the skin, effortlessly removing makeup, dirt, and grime. You can also be kind to the environment while being kind to your skin, as they are washable, so you can continue to use them again and again. It is a microfiber. I will be honest, I do not like these kind of products. I prefer to use an oil-based cleanser on my fingers and then a Foreo versus using something like this. I love the microfiber towels for scrunching my hair, for drying my hair, because, you know, cotton or terry cloth towels can be really damaging to your hair. So I love microfiber because it's a little bit softer. And then I love using reusable cotton rounds for toners, but I don't love the reusable microfiber makeup removers, so I am going to be passing on that. Next, from Bybee, this is the Clarity Cleanse Daily Gel Cleanser with salicylic acid and chicory root, so you know it's going to be good for acne control and exfoliation. A powerful combination of antimicrobial and antiseptic ingredients, including rosemary and cypress, help to break down dirt, grime, and oil, and the smell of minty forest. Your skin feels truly cleansed and clear, but not stripped. Apply a pea-sized amount to damp skin, massage in, lather, and rinse. So I love a good cleanser that doesn't leave the skin very stripped. My skin for my entire life has been super oily, so whenever I'm stripped, I get more greasy. But now that I live in Colorado, where it's so much drier, like humidifier in every room dry, I definitely find that when I do overly cleanse my skin, I really need to combat that with a great moisturizer, a follow-up oil, and I feel like I'm grabbing skin mists all day long just to give myself that added boost of hydration. Next, from the brand Balance Me, this is a product I have received in the past. This is the Brightening Vitamin C Eye Serum. Promote radiant, charged contour equipped with hard-hitting ingredients. The formula seeks to minimize the looks of puffiness. Elderberry flower extract energizes and nourishes, helping to rejuvenate the delicate eye area. I'm going to be honest, I'm actually currently using a vitamin C eye cream. I go back and forth between the Beauty Stat Universal Eye Protector and my Caudalie Premier Crew eye cream. I love both of them, but as far as vitamin C eye creams, I don't really think I need another one. The Beauty Stat is packed with vitamin C. The Caudalie uses an ingredient called vinephrine, which is actually even more powerful than vitamin C. So I think I'm good. I didn't love this one. I tried it a few times, and it just didn't do enough for me as far as hydration. Not to speak to the brightening ingredients, but again, with these trial size skincare, great for travel, but until you're consistently using the product for 28 to 60 days, you really don't know if it's working. And the last item is from the brand Beauty Pro. This is the Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Booty. It uses sweet almond and peppermint to help with your toes. It's also safe to use with natural nails or gel nail polish because it does have a little opening, so you can put this on for your heels and your soles of your feet, but you don't have to have it over nail polish where it could cause an issue. You leave this on for 20 minutes and it exfoliates the skin. Looking at the ingredients, I'm not seeing anything that screams any red flags. Tons of different oils, honeysuckle, shea butter, things that are really going to help to nourish that skin. I'm seeing a few exfoliant ingredients to help break down those dead skin, salicylic acid in there. So in general, these are really cool masks to do if you're not going anywhere for the night and you just want to pop your feet up on the couch, put on a mask, and exfoliate. I'm going to be honest, I don't use them as often as I should, but definitely a reminder that I do need to take care of my feet. Now, all in, these boxes always range between $16 and $20, whether you're doing the every month subscription, it pay a little bit more. I believe it's $21 when you do it that way. If you do like the year, it comes out to like $16 a box. Definitely worth $16 in my opinion. I think that there are some months where the LookFantastic box does tend to border on that side where not worth it versus worth it. And this is actually one of those months where I think it's a good balance of products for self-care and self-love, so I'm very happy with that. Another thing I do just want to mention is that LookFantastic is owned by Glossybox, and this isn't another unboxing, but they did send me a box of their Glossybox skincare. Now, this is not a subscription box. This is something that you can just purchase. If you are a subscription box member, you get it as a discounted rate. And I do want to walk through the 5 products they sent because they have sent these before, and I have used all of them. So I do want to just give you a little mini update on the 5 products. First is the Gentle Foaming Cleanser. I really liked this product, but I feel like it lasted forever, and that's not a bad thing. A lot of times when you have a foaming cleanser, I feel like I go through it very, very quickly, and with this one, it lasted a really long time. That being said, I get bored of my skincare very easily, so I like to use things and move on to the next. So for that reason, I didn't love it, but honestly, that's a really good reason not to like something, because it really lasted. Next up is the Hydrating Mist. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't love the mist on this, but I did like the formula. So this is one of those mists where if you have another squirt bottle you could put it in, I think you'll like it a little bit more. I find any of these mists, you know, I complained about this one a couple months ago. It's from Kimchi Chic because it's a very aggressive mist versus something like this is the Screen Break Blue Light from Item Beauty. It's just a much softer, lightweight mist. I don't love the bottle, and because of that, I don't like the product. The Night Serum is a glycolic acid and blueberry oil serum. Great and nourishing. Lactic acid boosts hydration, so I really enjoyed this. I didn't love the packaging again because I don't like when my serums are in these little squeezy tubes just because I like to see what's in there. But because of that, it doesn't have to be super expensive. You have no idea how much of the price of a lot of your skincare is just wrapped up in the box and the bottle. So I understand, put the money in the ingredients so I don't have to have luxurious packaging all the time. But I don't love that for serums. And lastly, it's the 3-in-1 moisturizer and the eye cream. Part of the reason I don't love the serum packaging is because it's identical to the moisturizer packaging. Really easy to confuse the two, but I did really like the moisturizer formula. I think it had a really nice clean skincare scent, and it had a really luxurious scent. As for the eye cream, this was the product that I was the most hit or miss on. Definitely some depuffing ingredients and definitely some great anti-aging ingredients. But as far as what I like, which is really smoothing and blurring the under eyes, I like things that have a little bit more of a color corrector to them, which is part of why I really like that Beauty Stat one, because I find that it just instantly lifts and brightens the under eye. Anyway, as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!